Today we will discuss about the degree of Oswald's dilution law. Oswald's dilution law is the relationship between degree of dissociation and volume or concentration. In last video we had seen what is meant by degree of dissociation. It is the fraction of total number of moles dissociated at equilibrium. So, relationship between degree of dissociation and square root of concentration. Its statement is degree of dissociation is directly proportional to square root of volume or square root of concentration. I will repeat it again. The statement: the degree of dissociation is directly proportional to the square root of volume, or inversely proportional to the square root of concentration. So degree of dissociation is denoted by alpha. Alpha is directly proportional to square root of V, or alpha is inversely proportional to square root of C. This Oswald's dilution law can be proved for weak acid and weak base. First we will see for weak acid. We have to prove that this law, that is degree of dissociation, is directly proportional to square root of volume or inversely proportional to square root of concentration. So we have to take weak acid, that is Ha. Weak acid Ha is a weak electrolyte which dissociates as H plus A minus. And for that equilibrium constant, that is Ka, dissociation, it is also known as dissociation constant. Ka is equals to product upon reactant. So concentration of H plus into concentration of A minus upon Ha, and it is equation number 1. Then initially 1 mole of Ha, it is dissolved in V liter of solution, or dm3. We can write dm3 or liter. V dm3 of solution. Initially we are taking 1 mole of Ha. Ha is 1 mole, and degree of dissociation of H plus and A minus at T is equals to 0. There is no reaction. That time degree of dissociation is 0. Then if alpha is degree of dissociation, then H plus will get alpha, A minus also alpha, and Ha will be 1 minus alpha. Initially it is 1 mole, and at equilibrium it will get 1 minus alpha. If we are taking concentrations, then we have to divide that volume. V is the dm cube. So 1 minus alpha upon V, alpha upon V, and alpha upon V. This is 1 minus alpha upon V. So concentration of Ha is 1 minus alpha upon V. Concentration of H plus is alpha upon V, and concentration of A minus is alpha upon V. We can put these values in equation 1. We get, this is a table. We have to prepare this table for concentrations. Concentration of H plus Ha is equals to 1 minus alpha upon V. Concentration of H plus is alpha upon V, and concentration of A minus is also alpha upon V, and we are putting this value in equation 1. So we get, put this value in equation 1. 1 alpha upon V into alpha upon V upon 1 minus alpha upon V. V and V get cancelled. We get alpha square upon 1 minus alpha into V. but we know 1 upon alpha V is equals to 1 upon V is equals to concentration. So we get Ka is equals to alpha square into C upon 1 minus alpha. Alpha square into C upon 1 minus alpha. But for weak electrolyte, alpha is very small. Alpha is very small than 1. So 1 minus alpha can be neglected from this equation. This equation we can neglect this 1 minus alpha. So we get Ka is equals to alpha square into C. And alpha square is equals to Ka upon C. Or alpha is equals to square root of Ka upon C. It means Ka is a dissociation constant. Alpha is inversely proportional to square root of C. And this is proved. What is this? This is a Ostwald's dilution law for weak acid HA. Degree of dissociation is inversely proportional to square root of C. This law we can apply for BOH, that is weak base also. All the things are same but only reaction is different. What is the reaction? If we are taking the Ostwald's dilution law for BOH, BOH is equals to it gives B plus OH minus and Kb. Instead of Ka we are using Kb. Kb is equals to concentration of B plus into concentration of OH minus upon concentration of BOH. And same, take 1 mole of BOH and at equilibrium alpha is the degree of dissociation for B plus and OH minus. Then make a table, prepare table and get a concentrations of BOH, B plus and OH minus. We get BOH, for BOH concentration of BOH is equals to 1 minus alpha upon V, B plus alpha upon V and OH minus alpha upon V. Put this value in this equation and we get same law. Alpha is inversely proportional to square root of C, or we can say alpha is directly proportional to square root of V because 1 upon V is equals to C, or 1 upon C is equals to V. So degree of dissociation is directly proportional to square root of volume or inversely proportional to square root of concentration. And you can write the Ostwald's dilution law for acetic acid as well as ammonium hydroxide also. Okay.